Hey guys, how you all? So my name is Samarjit Yadav and I am a cybersecurity analyst and a bug bounty hunter. So we are back with the TTPs. So this is the MITRE ATT&CK series and this is the video number 3 and module 2nd. So we are going to introduce about the TTPs that what are exactly tactics and procedures. And before this, I would like to tell you that please watch this video up to the end because this may be a very helpful for your career. Anybody can ask you that what is tactic and procedure and what type of detection your SOC team is using. So it's a very important concept. And before proceeding, I would like to tell you that we have already covered MITRE, introduction of MITRE, that why US government have created this, why they have introduced this, and one of the difficult thing we talked about that TTPs. In the earlier video we also discuss about these things, so you can watch that. That will be very helpful for you. So we can be having hash values very easily, IP addresses, domain name. These practicals I already showed in the last video. But this concept TTPs is very tough, and this one is we are going to talk about. Yeah, before proceeding, well, we have one of the main things is going on nowadays, that is solar wind Orion platform. So let me tell you what it is exactly. So hackers planned it in October 2019, and they were targeted the solar wind. So what is the solar wind? Solar wind is one of the information technology service provider, and they are giving Orion platform, which having a huge client, I can say, there are a lot of companies, Microsoft, Deloitte, and there is also government, US governments involved in this. So what actually hackers do? They did a very simple concept, you can say. They put a malware in the upgradation of Orion, right? So and meanwhile, I can say they have a very weak password. SolarWinds have a very weak password that was SolarWind123. I mean, this definitely, if you have the strong password, then it is not going to break, right? But SolarWind123 is guessable, right? So, learning of the day is that you should make a very strong password, whether you are using social media or anything, right? So after that, what they did that every company have the update of that Orion, and everybody has installed that. That's why uh, there was lot of leakage of information. There was 40 employees of Microsoft was involved in that. uh, yeah, so we can proceed now. I think the solar wind concept you already know, and I have already talked much about that, and if I deeply will go into this, the video will be so long. So uh, first one is tactics, and we have 14 tactics. And what exactly is that tactic? So it's a tactical objective and the reason and the action. So I will tell you that what actually the tactics, and there were earlier 12 tactics, but now it is 14. And there is techniques. Techniques represents how the threat actor achieves and the tactical objectives, and there is procedures. So let me tell you the first tactic. I think it is the highest level of organization in attack is tactics. The strategic goal of an attacker may be extort, ransom, steal information, or simply destroy an organization's IT environment. So it's important to understand that tactics are a classification and a description of short-term intent. Tactics describe what the attacker is trying to do at any given phase of the attack, not how they are specifically going about it. So that what is tactic, and technique is nothing what it represents how the actor achieves a tactical objective, correct? And procedure is nothing but that how you documented that whole information, That is what procedures. And threat group is denoted by TG. So we are going forward. Next slide, see. So there are 14 tactics. What first is reconnaissance, resource development, initial access, execution, persistent, previous acceleration, defense. We are going to talk deeply in this. So let's say you are a hacker, and if you are a hacker, then how you are going to hack, or how you are going to uh, going into inside of any company's environment. So definitely first thing is that reconnaissance, which is the information gathering. So you need to collect more and more information regarding that company, regarding that network, what it is exactly. And then the second tactic is resource development. You should have all the things which is used for that particular things, right? So initial access is the first part of going in that company's network. Execution is the second part, where you will execute your malware or anything whatever you have. And persistence is a type of things, you can say. Your network should be consistent. Your things, suppose that you have installed the malware that from the backbone, that should be consistent. So your the presence is should be consistent. That is what persistence. And then privilege escalation, you can take the privilege escalation by many methods, by many techniques. And the sixth one is defense evasion. So now you got the privilege escalation, right? Now you need to also cover your tracks, right? So that's what is defense evasion. Then credential access, you can now you already have covered all the tracks, you already have got the privilege escalation. You can do the credential access means you can steal the information regarding password, users, etc, etc. And discovery is one of the main tactics in which uh, there is a lot of techniques through which you can discover the whole network of that company. And then lateral movement, collection, then command and control. This is what you have all the things. Exfiltration and the at last impact. So these are the 14 tactics which is using by the, you can say, hackers, APT groups, and MITRE ATT&CK is trying to detect that. Let's see the next one. So these were the description. You can pause that video and you can read out that whatever I tell you, that these defensive version avoiding being detected, credential access is account name, passwords, right? So you can stop this and can check this what it is exactly, right? So let me show you discovery. Discovery is nothing but to figure out the environment. As I said, lateral movement. What is lateral movement? It's adversary which trying to move through your environment, means you have to move from that company's environment. So that is what lateral movement, and there is lot of techniques in that through which you can get out from that environment. Then collection is the nothing but the interest of your data. I mean, whatever data you want to collect, you can collect it. Command and control, which is communicating to compromised systems to control them, right? So you can create the bot, you can install the bot which will always use that CNC. We tell these command and control in a short is CNC. Exfiltration is nothing but to steal their data. So impact is trying to manipulate, interrupt, or destroy any systems or data of that company. So we are moving into the next slide, that what is technique exactly. So see guys, you need to understand that what is exactly tactics and procedures. See, tactic is, let's say we have a tactics persistence, right? Under this tactics of persistence, there are a lot of techniques like registry run keys, new service upon DNS, right? So first part is tactics, then techniques. Then we have the procedures like this. let's say we have credential access. You want a credential access, then there is techniques credential dumping. Credential dumping used to extract the username, passwords, all the things. And procedures is a way by which you can do that thing. So these are the procedures. So in future we are going to talk about the detection, how MITRE ATT&CK is used in detections, and we will talk about the attack navigator, which is very important. So first thing is that, guys, your concept should be clear between TTPs, tactics, techniques, and procedure. What exactly it is, what is MITRE. So watch that video very carefully and comment me, reach me on LinkedIn. And the very important thing is that you should be on Telegram channel and you can join this official Ghost Academy, which is going to be very important for you. I hope everything is clear. If not, please let me know so that I can help you. And this is going to be in future. It is going to be a very big role because already Attack Mitre already introduced one of the TRAM, which is a threat attack report mapping. So TRAM is also very useful. We will talk on these about these later. But now we are finishing in and we are winding up. Please let us know if you have any comments. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Take care.